Hi, my name is David Shapiro. I'm a San Diego-based criminal defense attorney, and today I'd like to discuss with you the charges or the allegations of committing an aggravated battery on a spouse. Generally speaking, in California, these charges are filed under Penal Code Section 273.5. It's connotated or noted in the Penal Code as inflicting a corporal injury on a spouse, and it's kind of a weird word to describe aggravated battery. Basically, it's when you injure someone or put them in a condition where they reasonably could or should have been injured based on your conduct. If great bodily injury is alleged, you're looking at a situation where you could be facing upwards of 10 years on a domestic violence offense. Without, it is a felony. It could be charged as a felony where you could be looking at up to 4 years in state prison. If charged as a misdemeanor, it would be a cap of 1 year in custody. Generally speaking, 273.5A of the Penal Code is a wilder. It could be filed as a misdemeanor or as a felony. A lot of times my clients will come to me. Recently, actually, I had court this afternoon on a matter where the client, I believe, was overbooked. And a lot of times the police will go out and arrest you and put you in jail on a 273.5, which, for all intents and purposes, is aggravated battery on a spouse, even though the district attorney or the city attorney may look at the case, and even if they are going to file charges, they may only file charges as a simple misdemeanor domestic violence battery. A lot of times law enforcement does it for a number of reasons, not the least of which is it ups your bail. Because the bail schedule for a 273.5 of the Penal Code in California is significantly higher than a simple misdemeanor spousal battery. Another reason is that the spouse or the alleged victim of the case does not want to prosecute. Law enforcement gets around that by saying, well, we believe a felony was committed, so we don't need your cooperation. We don't need you to basically effectuate a citizen's arrest in order to get this person in trouble. So you see these charges, a lot of times they're overcharged. A lot of times with the help of a good attorney and good facts, these cases may not even get filed at all. And if they do get filed, they only get filed as misdemeanors. But once in a while, you actually do see these cases filed as felonies, and they're very, very serious. They're taken very seriously by the courts and by the prosecutor, and they should be taken very seriously by you.